Once a year, the northern Israeli city of Acre turns into one big hub for performers. For over 40 years, the Akko International Fringe Theater Festival has taken place during the Jewish Sukkot holiday.
We are here in Akko, a city that is mixed in every meaning. So is this festival. Everyone can get a stage here, no matter which religion, ethnicity, gender. Everyone is here, and Akko gives them the environment to develop.
In case of the play Pkak, Traffic Jam, the festival gave the creator a road to perform on. Nadav Rozievich, who is new to the theater scene, wrote his play and offered it to many directors without success until he approached the organizers of the Akko Festival. He got the idea for his play while being stuck in traffic himself, imagining the stories of people in the cars around him.
It's a play that deals with time. So we have like a story about an old woman that has Alzheimer, that she's stuck in her past. Yeah, and we have another story about a groom and a bride that they're stuck in their present. I looked for a story that I can use to tell a story about the end of all time. So it was very clear to me that I need to deal with death. This story is quite comic, quite like more like a black comedy.
Inside the hearse, a young undertaker who falls in love with the body of a woman. The audience, who is part of the play as it follows the actors from car to car, seems to enjoy the new concept. Other plays follow a more philosophical approach. What happens if after an outbreak of rabies, only 3 people survive who have very different thoughts about life?
There are 3 characters. One character that believes in science but doesn't listen to anyone else. The other one only thinks about materialistics, how to eat, how to gather money and gold, but doesn't want to listen to anything different than his views. The third character all the time thinks just about black magic.
The group Al Yamama, an initiative of Arab and Jewish actors from the Negev area and the first of its kind, is staging the play The Last Khan. During the time of the festival, the old city of Acre is filled with street performances for the entire family. Acrobatics high in the sky, music, comedy, and children's entertainment.
I like the street shows. One artist comes and does an entire show for children, but there are also shows for adults. Anyone can come and really enjoy.
I
love the atmosphere because you have everyone here. It's not an elite event, it's not anonymous, it's a reflection of all parts of Israeli society.
A festival that gives stages to actors, artists, and musicians who might be on the fringes of culture or still in the beginnings of their career. But let's see what places they will go to from here in Acre. Pia Steckelbach, I-24 News, Acre.